how to move Steam games to another drive. So first, just open up your Steam app, then just simply click on the Steam button here on the top left, then just click on Settings. Now once you are on your settings, just go down here to Storage, so just simply click on Storage. Now you will see your drives right here. So on my C drive, these are all the games that I have, and on my other drive, which is this one, these are all the games that I have. So let's say I want to move the wallpaper engine to my other drive, so just simply click on the checkbox right here on the right, then just simply click on move here on the bottom. Now I'm just going to move it right here on my D drive, so just simply click on move, and this will prompt up a user account control prompt, so just simply click on yes and wait for the content to load right here. So now it's done, so simply click on close. Now if I check my D drive, as you can see, the wallpaper engine has now been moved, and that's how I basically move Steam games to another drive.